What's up, mariners? This is Abhilash Thakur and welcome to Sailor's Guide. Alright guys, so we have reached up to the rule number 15, that is crossing situation. So this is the third situation which normally develops at sea. So it's only this part, only one part is there in this rule, and it's very simple. So here the situation is that when two power driven vessel, this is very important, they're talking about the power driven vessel, not any other than that. So when the two power driven vessel, the both of them should be power driven, are crossing, so as to involve the risk of collision, the vessel which has the other on her own starboard side shall keep out of the way and shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, avoid crossing ahead of the vessel. So it's very simple, as they are saying that a vessel, if they are crossing, let's say there are two vessels, okay, as per this situation, a vessel has a vessel on her starboard side, this vessel has a vessel on her starboard side, let's say it's A vessel and this is B. So on the starboard side of the vessel of A, there is a vessel B. So this is the duty of the vessel A to keep out of the way of another vessel, which is vessel B. So also they have added one thing more, that if the circumstances of the case admit, if that a circumstances is there that you can take action, avoid crossing ahead of the vessel. You make sure that you do not cross ahead of the vessel. You do not cross like this. Okay, if the circumstances of the case admit. You normally, what we take action here, that we go on the starboard side and we pass astern of this vessel and we avoid going ahead of the vessel. Okay, well, if the circumstances of the case is not admitting, then you can pass ahead of it, but give a wide sea room. Okay, you increase the speed and get ahead of it very quickly, but you have to estimate that thing. It's not like you're going ahead of it and it's very close. It's a trouble for you guys if you do not have any reasons to back it up that the circumstances of the case was not admitting. Okay, so basically normally what we'll do, we'll go to the starboard side, pass astern of the vessel. Now mind you, this thing is not given in the rules. They have just said that not pass the ahead of the vessel. They have not told to go on the starboard side or go on the port side. They have not told like this. They just said it's your duty to pass clear of this vessel, and if the circumstances of the case admit, do not pass ahead of this. Okay, this is only what the rule says. All right, so this is about the rule number 15. Few terms are there which are technical, few things are there which are technical. This is only about the rule number 15 which is there, that is the crossing situation. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Also do share this video to your friends, and if you have any doubts regarding ROR or any other topic of merchant navy, you can just put down in the comments below and I will answer that. Okay, so that's it for the video guys. This is Abhilash Thakur signing off.